In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off auto brightness. First of all, go into Settings and click on Display and Brightness right away. When you're ready, use this switcher next to Automatic, located under Brightness slider to turn it on or switch it off. Quick tip: while testing this device, I discovered that you can also go into Tab menu and hold Brightness slider. Then tap on Settings in this pop-up to access Auto Brightness right away. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!